Hi, Steve with MetaMe.com. Today presenting a nail care set which can be used on natural or artificial nails and is ideally suited for diabetic foot care. For those with diabetes, foot care is imperative to avoiding painful problems. Use this compact, battery-powered manicure and pedicure set to trim and buff finger and toenails. It quickly removes calluses and reduces overly thick toenails. The set includes 6 tools and a handy travel case. The Nail Care Plus Diabetic Foot and Nail Care Set by Medicool runs on 2 AA batteries. It's inexpensive and on sale now at MetaMe.com while supplies last. Go to www.medame.com now. You'll be glad you did.